In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover deleted products in Shopify. In this tutorial, we are going to walk through the process of bringing deleted products back into your Shopify store by importing a product CSV backup file. This is useful if products were removed by mistake or if you need to restore product information from a previous export. The key thing to remember is that Shopify will need a CSV file that contains the product data you want to restore. As long as you have that backup file ready on your computer, the process is straightforward. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin and make sure you are on the main dashboard for the store where you want to restore the products. Once you are inside the admin area, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where Shopify keeps the main sections for managing your store, including orders, customers, content, analytics, and products. From that left-hand menu, go to Products. This section is where Shopify stores your product listings, including product titles, descriptions, images, pricing, inventory information, variants, and other product details. Since the goal is to recover deleted products, this is the correct area to use because product imports are handled directly from the Products page. After you open the Products section, take a moment to look near the top right corner of the page. You should see an option labeled Import. This button is used when you want to bring product information into Shopify from a CSV file. It is commonly used for bulk uploads, store migrations, and product backups. In this case, you are using it to restore products from a previously saved file. Click Import in the top right corner. A new import window will appear on the screen. This window is where you will select the file that contains the product information you want Shopify to add back into your store. Before continuing, make sure you are using the correct CSV backup file. If you have several CSV files saved, take a moment to confirm that the file contains the products you want to recover. Now click Add File. This will open your computer file browser. Find the product CSV backup file on your device, select it, and then choose it for upload. The file should be in CSV format, because that is the format Shopify uses for product imports. Once the file is selected, it will appear in the import window so you can confirm that the correct file has been attached. After the file has been added, the next part is to let Shopify read the file and show you a preview. Click Upload and Preview. Shopify will process the CSV file and prepare a preview of the product data before anything is imported into your store. This preview stage is important because it gives you a chance to review what Shopify is about to import. You can use this moment to check that the file looks correct and that you are not uploading the wrong backup by accident. Once the preview is ready and everything looks correct, click Import Products. Shopify will begin importing the products from the CSV backup file into your store. Depending on how many products are in the file, this may take a little time. Smaller files may finish quickly, while larger product catalogs can take longer to process. During this time, allow Shopify to complete the import and avoid refreshing the page unless Shopify tells you the process is finished. When the import is complete, your recovered products should appear again in the Products section of your Shopify admin. You can then review the restored listings to make sure the product titles, prices, descriptions, variants, and inventory details look the way you expect. If needed, you can open individual products and make adjustments after the import is finished. And that is all there is to it. You have recovered deleted products in Shopify by importing a product CSV backup file.